I'm going to show you how to make one of the best steak salads you can eat. This is my delicious, zingy and vibrant chimichurri steak salad from my Seriously Good Salads book. We're going to start by heating up the pan, and whilst that's heating we'll prepare the steaks. I've got two fantastic sirloin steaks, about 7 ounces each, which will be enough to serve 4 people for this salad. I took the steaks out of the fridge about an hour ago to let them come to room temperature, and now I'm going to drizzle them with oil and then give them a good sprinkling with some salt and pepper. And we'll do that on both sides. Now the pan's nice and hot, we're going to add the steaks. And we'll cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on how well done you like them. Now those steaks are done, we're going to transfer them to a board to rest. It's super important that you let them rest so you get a really nice juicy steak. And whilst they're resting, we'll start on the rest of the salad, starting with the chimichurri. Into a bowl goes a cup of very finely chopped fresh parsley, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes or chili flakes, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 minced cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano dried, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a teaspoon of red wine vinegar. Now the chimichurri's done, we're going to assemble the salad, starting with some nice fresh baby salad leaves. I love to serve salads that everyone can dig into, so for this salad you can use a large platter or plate, or a large board, or you could even use a shallow baking tray, like I'm going to. Then we're adding tomatoes, radishes, red onion, cucumber and avocado. Now it's time to start slicing that delicious looking steak. Oh, just look how juicy that looks. Add that to the salad plate and spoon over some of that vibrant chimichurri sauce. I'm serving mine with some sour cream with a little bit more of that chimichurri on top, and some flatbreads. You can swap out the flatbreads for some rice or some quinoa if you prefer. That's my chimichurri steak salad. Check out my Seriously Good Salads book for the full recipe and 74 more amazing salad recipes, loaded with exciting toppings and delicious dressings. I want to smash the preconceptions that salads have to be dull, boring diet food. Click on the link below to order yourself a copy.